So you want to become a barista, but you don't have any experience about coffee? Don't worry. Today I'm going to be answering the most common asked question to me as a barista, which is how to become a barista with little or no experience about coffee. I'll be sharing with you everything that you need to know so that you can be able to become a barista, some basic tips and personal experiences that has helped me grow to become a better barista. Like anything you want to do in life, you need to love it. So loving coffee is your first step to becoming a barista. Before diving in, let's have our coffee. For you to be able to become a barista, you need to know the roles and duties of a barista. A barista is a person with extensive knowledge on how to operate commercial coffee machines so that he can brew a good cup of coffee to the customer. Baristas work in a coffee shop. Their main duty in a coffee shop is to make and serve coffee to the customer. There are 3 different levels of being a barista. We have a junior barista, a senior barista, and a head barista. Each of this level of a barista has different requirements and different roles that they do in a coffee shop. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on a junior or the beginner barista. This is the first level of being a barista. 90% of the baristas that you see working as baristas, they all started as junior baristas with little or no experience about coffee. This is because working as a barista is not only about making coffee, but it's a social job which requires you to have a pleasing personality to enable you interact with the customers and provide the best quality of service while taking their orders and also serving their orders. This will help you get your first job even without experience. This is how I got my first job working as a barista, because I understood working in a hospitality place, you need to have a pleasing personality. If you find this video to be very important, you can give it a like button so that it can be displayed to other people to help them become baristas. But on that, you're going to need also to have the basic knowledge about coffee. With use of the different platforms like YouTube, you can check out my YouTube. It has the basic knowledge that can give you a head start on your journey of becoming a barista. Or if not, you can take the basic barista training. You need to know the different way that coffee is being made and also the common coffee drinks. This is going to help you to acquire your first job as a barista. If you get your first job working in the coffee shop, you're going to be given the basic training by the head barista, who is going to train you and start your journey as a beginner barista. You're going to be also guided with the senior barista to guide you through the process on becoming a better barista. But as an additional tip, these are the things that you're going to need to help you on your journey to become a barista. You're going to undergo various trainings so that you can grow and become a better barista. Like any other job, working as a barista, you're going to face different struggles and challenges. To overcome them, you can check out this video of mine. I'll link it up. It's about the different struggles and challenges baristas face. This is going to prepare you on your journey to become a barista.